What's up YouTube, G-Money here. So today I'm going to be replacing these battery terminals on my 85 box truck. You have to release the wire by taking off this bolt. Once both of the bolts are released, wire should come out. Same with the other one, loosen both bolts and then the wire comes out. With the new one, you got to make sure to loosen these bolts and stick the new wire in. There's a secondary wire that goes right here as well. Alright, let's tighten. Once it's tightened, pull on it to make sure it will not come out. And let's put in the battery. Installing the positive and the negative is pretty simple. Nice thing about older vehicles, they don't spark whenever you install a battery. When you install new vehicle batteries, they do. 1/2-inch socket or wrench will tighten this. With the positive side, be extremely careful not to touch anything that's metal on the car, because anything that's metal is always negatively charged because it's ground. Okay, and that's how you install a battery. If you reach, I teach, so reach out what you want to learn next.